Agricultural biotechnology is a field that merges biology with technology to improve crops, livestock, and farming practices. It involves using scientific tools and techniques, such as genetic engineering, molecular markers, and tissue culture, to enhance agricultural productivity and sustainability. This approach helps farmers grow more resilient crops, increase yields, and reduce the need for chemical inputs. By understanding the basics of agricultural biotechnology, we can appreciate how science is transforming the way we produce food and manage resources. Let's explore how these innovations are shaping the future of agriculture. Roots of agricultural biotechnology can be traced back to the early days of selective breeding, where farmers chose the best plants and animals for reproduction. However, the modern era began in the 1970s with the discovery of DNA manipulation. Scientists learned to transfer genes between organisms, opening new possibilities for crop improvement. Over the decades, breakthroughs like genetically modified crops and advanced breeding techniques have revolutionized farming. This historical journey shows how innovation has always been at the heart of agriculture, paving the way for today's biotech solutions. Genetic engineering is a cornerstone of agricultural biotechnology. It involves altering the DNA of plants or animals to introduce desirable traits, such as pest resistance or drought tolerance. Scientists use precise tools to insert, delete, or modify genes, creating organisms with improved characteristics. This technology allows for faster and more targeted improvements compared to traditional breeding. Genetic engineering has led to the development of crops that can withstand harsh conditions, helping farmers adapt to changing environments and meet global food demands. Molecular markers are tools that help scientists identify specific genes within a plant's DNA. By using these markers, breeders can select plants with desirable traits more efficiently. This process speeds up the development of improved crop varieties, as it allows for precise selection without waiting for plants to mature. Molecular markers are widely used in breeding programs to enhance yield, disease resistance, and quality. Their use demonstrates how biotechnology streamlines the path from laboratory research to the farmer's field. Shoe culture is a method where small pieces of plant tissue are grown in a controlled environment to produce new plants. This technique allows for the rapid multiplication of disease-free and genetically identical plants. It's especially useful for propagating rare or valuable crops and for conserving plant species. Tissue culture plays a vital role in modern agriculture, enabling large-scale production of high-quality plants and supporting research into plant genetics and breeding. Genetically modified (GM) crops are plants whose DNA has been altered to express specific traits, such as resistance to pests or tolerance to herbicides. These crops are developed using advanced biotechnology techniques and are widely grown around the world. GM crops can reduce the need for chemical pesticides, increase yields, and help farmers manage environmental challenges. While they offer many benefits, GM crops are also subject to strict regulations and ongoing debates about safety and ethics. One of the major achievements of agricultural biotechnology is the development of pest-resistant crops. By introducing genes that produce natural insecticides, scientists have created plants that can defend themselves against harmful insects. This reduces the need for chemical pesticides, which benefit both the environment and farmers' health. Pest-resistant crops are now a common feature in many agricultural systems, helping to secure food supplies and promote sustainable farming. Biotechnology has enabled the creation of crops that can thrive in dry conditions. By identifying and introducing genes responsible for drought tolerance, scientists help plants survive with less water. These drought-tolerant varieties are crucial for regions facing water scarcity and climate change. They ensure stable food production even during periods of low rainfall, supporting farmers and communities in vulnerable areas. Agricultural biotechnology is also used to improve the nutritional value of crops. Scientists can increase the levels of vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds in staple foods. For example, biofortified rice with higher vitamin A content helps combat malnutrition in developing countries. These nutritional enhancements contribute to better health outcomes and address global challenges related to food security and nutrition. Plant diseases can devastate harvests and threaten food security. Biotechnology offers solutions by developing crops with built-in resistance to viruses, fungi, and bacteria. By transferring resistance genes from other plants or organisms, scientists create varieties that can withstand common diseases. This reduces crop losses, minimizes the need for chemical treatments, and supports sustainable agricultural practices. Traditional breeding can take years to develop new crop varieties. Biotechnology accelerates this process through techniques like marker-assisted selection and gene editing. These methods allow breeders to identify and incorporate desirable traits more quickly and accurately. Faster breeding means that farmers can access improved varieties sooner, helping them respond to changing conditions and market demands. Agricultural biotechnology isn't limited to plants. It also plays a role in improving livestock. Techniques like genetic selection, cloning, and disease diagnostics help farmers breed healthier, more productive animals. These advances can lead to higher milk yields, better meat quality, and improved animal welfare. Livestock biotechnology supports efficient and sustainable animal agriculture, benefiting both producers and consumers. Biotechnology has led to the development of biopesticides and biofertilizers, which are natural alternatives to chemical products. Biopesticides use living organisms or natural substances to control pests, while biofertilizers enhance soil fertility by promoting beneficial microbes. These products are safer for the environment and human health, supporting the shift toward more sustainable farming systems. Agricultural biotechnology offers several environmental advantages. By reducing the need for chemical pesticides and fertilizers, it helps protect soil, water, and biodiversity. Biotech crops can also be engineered to use resources more efficiently, lowering the environmental footprint of farming. These benefits contribute to more sustainable agricultural systems and a healthier planet. Adoption of agricultural biotechnology has significant economic implications. Farmers can achieve higher yields and lower production costs, increasing their profitability. Biotech crops often require fewer inputs such as water and pesticides, which translates to savings. On a larger scale, biotechnology supports rural development and global food security by making agriculture more productive and resilient. Food safety is a top priority in agricultural biotechnology. GM crops and biotech products undergo rigorous testing to ensure they're safe for consumption and the environment. Regulatory agencies around the world evaluate these products before they reach the market. This careful oversight helps build public trust and ensures that biotechnology benefits society without compromising safety. Use of biotechnology in agriculture raises important ethical questions. Issues such as the ownership of genetic resources, labeling of GM foods, and potential impacts on small farmers are widely debated. It's essential to balance innovation with respect for cultural values, environmental stewardship, and social equity. Ongoing dialogue among scientists, policymakers, and the public helps guide responsible development and use of agricultural biotechnology. Public attitudes toward agricultural biotechnology vary widely. Some people embrace the technology for its potential to solve food and environmental challenges, while others express concerns about safety and ethics. Education and transparent communication are key to addressing misconceptions and building informed opinions. As biotechnology continues to evolve, public engagement will play a crucial role in shaping its future. Agricultural biotechnology holds great promise for developing countries. It can help address food insecurity, improve crop resilience, and boost rural incomes. However, access to technology and resources remains a challenge. International cooperation, investment, and capacity building are essential to ensure that the benefits of biotechnology reach smallholder farmers and vulnerable communities. Climate change poses significant challenges to agriculture, including extreme weather and shifting growing seasons. Biotechnology offers tools to develop crops that can adapt to these changes, such as heat-tolerant or flood-resistant varieties. By supporting climate-smart agriculture, biotechnology helps farmers build resilience and maintain productivity in a changing world. Precision agriculture combines biotechnology with digital tools to optimize farming practices. Technologies like sensors, drones, and data analytics help farmers monitor crops and apply inputs more efficiently. This approach reduces waste, increases yields, and minimizes environmental impact. Precision agriculture represents the next frontier in sustainable and productive farming. Gene editing technologies such as CRISPR allow scientists to make precise changes to the DNA of plants and animals. Unlike traditional genetic modification, gene editing can target specific genes without introducing foreign DNA. This makes the process faster, more accurate, and potentially less controversial. Gene editing is opening new possibilities for crop improvement and disease resistance. Biotechnology can support conservation efforts by preserving genetic diversity and protecting endangered species. Techniques like tissue culture and genetic banking help conserve rare plant varieties and restore habitats. By maintaining biodiversity, biotechnology contributes to ecosystem health and long-term agricultural sustainability. Biotechnology isn't just about growing crops, it also plays a role in food processing. Enzymes and microbes developed through biotech are used to improve food quality, extend shelf life, and create new products. These innovations make food production more efficient and help meet consumer demands for safe, nutritious, and convenient foods. Despite its many benefits, agricultural biotechnology faces challenges. These include high research costs, regulatory hurdles, and public skepticism. There are also concerns about the potential for unintended consequences, such as the spread of modified genes to wild species. Addressing these challenges requires ongoing research, transparent communication, and responsible management. The future of agricultural biotechnology is full of exciting possibilities. Advances in genomics, synthetic biology, and digital agriculture are expected to drive further innovation. We may see crops with enhanced nutrition, climate resilience, and even new flavors or colors. As technology evolves, collaboration among scientists, farmers, and consumers will shape the next generation of agricultural solutions. International cooperation is essential for advancing agricultural biotechnology. Sharing knowledge, resources, and best practices helps countries address common challenges and maximize the benefits of innovation. Global partnerships support research, capacity building, and the responsible use of biotechnology to improve food security and sustainability worldwide. Building expertise in agricultural biotechnology requires investment in education and training. Universities, research institutes, and extension services play a key role in developing skilled professionals. By fostering a new generation of scientists and informed farmers, education ensures that biotechnology continues to advance and benefit society. Startups are driving innovation in agricultural biotechnology. These young companies develop new technologies, products, and services that address pressing agricultural challenges. From gene editing tools to digital platforms for farmers, biotech startups are shaping the future of food and farming. Their agility and creativity make them important players in the agricultural ecosystem. Agricultural biotechnology is transforming the way we grow food, manage resources, and address global challenges. By harnessing the power of science and innovation, we can create more resilient, productive, and sustainable agricultural systems. As we look to the future, continued research, collaboration, and responsible use of biotechnology will be key to feeding a growing world and protecting our planet.